Hello, my name is Kaylim Reddy. I'm a PhD student at the University of Galway and I'm funded through the Marine Institute. I'm here on the Tom Crean and I'm taking samples around the coast of Ireland to measure how much carbon is stored in the coastal waters around Ireland. I'm looking at inorganic carbon, which is dissolved CO2, and organic carbon, which is that CO2 which is taken up by plant life, phytoplankton, seaweeds and microalgae. And I want to compare these fractions of CO2 in the water to see how well the Irish coastal seas are able to store carbon from the atmosphere and keep it from going back into the atmosphere, which will cause global warming. It is important to measure these parameters in winter and in summer because here in the temperate shelf seas, we have a growth season and we have a dormant season. By measuring stuff in the winter, when stuff isn't growing, we get a good baseline for the nutrients, the carbon dioxide that's dissolved in the water, which will be ready then in the beginning of the growth season in early spring for these autotrophs to be able to take up these nutrients. Once they're taken up in particulate form, they can sink and be stored in sediments, or in particulate and dissolved form, they can be transported to the deeper ocean where they will be trapped. So they cannot be in contact with the atmosphere for a long time. So, right now I'm taking some samples for dissolved organic carbon and total organic carbon. To get the dissolved fraction, we have to filter the water to take away the particles, and then to get the total organic carbon, I will take it directly from the bottle, which will include the dissolved fraction and the particulate fraction. We can compare these two to see where the carbon is stored in the water, either in the particles or in dissolved organic form.